What's up guys, it's your boy Tyler, TV the Greek, and yes, I am back with another build video. We had a customer come in. They already had a 4090. They already had a 7950X3D. So they brought those two parts into us and they wanted us to put everything else together for them. So we picked out all the other parts, the case, the motherboard, the RAM, the storage, etc. They wanted us to put it together for them. So let's get to the video. So to start it off with the CPU, we got the Ryzen 9 7950X3D, 16 core, 32 thread. It's got a 5.7 megahertz boost. It's the 3D V-Cache technology. It's AMD's top of the line CPU. We went with the B650 Eagle AX. For RAM, we got the T-Force Delta DDR5 64 gigabytes, 6000 megahertz. For storage, we went with 2 terabytes, Mushkin Vortex, Gen 4 SSD. Really, 2 terabytes is like the new 1 terabyte because games are so big nowadays. You download Call of Duty and one other game, that's 500 gigs right there. So 2 terabytes is definitely recommended if you want to have a bunch of games, a bunch of different programs, and if you're doing like video editing, photo editing, you want plenty of storage. So to cool that AMD 7950X3D, we got the ID Cooling FX360 Pro. It's gonna cool it and it's gonna look good in the process. That's all you can really ask for. Thermal Take 1200 watt tough power 80 plus gold. It's gonna be plenty for the system. There she is. Asus Tough 4090 to 4090 speaks for itself. And to house all this beautiful hardware, we need a good case. That's right, baby. We're going with another King 95 Pro. So easy to hook up the RGB. It comes with all the fans you need, plenty of space. It's great for a 4090 build. Yeah, let's get to building. All right, we got her done. She came out sweet. Looks amazing. We're gonna hook it up, get Windows on it, get some games installed. You can look forward to some benchmarks here in just a minute.
Hey everyone, Matt here. Tyler ran Unigen and OCCT to test this PC and its parts, so let's go and take a look at the results. Running Unigen Heaven, we end up getting a high FPS number of 300 plus FPS, and running OCCT, stressing the CPU and GPU, the CPU only got up to 50 degrees Celsius under max load, and the GPU a very comfortable 70 degrees Celsius. This gaming PC was made possible using PCBros.tech and their custom PC build service. You can go to our website today and fill out a custom build consultation, and we can tailor a PC to your needs just like this customer and build it and potentially make a video about it here on the YouTube channel. So be sure to go to the PCBros.tech YouTube channel or check the links down below to fill out a build consultation today if you want a gaming PC just like this one.